I guess we'll start up here. One for you. It's been where I haven't uploaded a video of me opening Pokemon in like 6 months. I got a Squirtle.
You're just waiting for this.
Yeah, pretty much. That and I'm just lazy and I don't like to record videos because they're a pain in the ass. Magikarp. Look at these nuts. An Articuno. And one of these stupid... I told you we're gonna end up with like 30 of these. I'll still sleeve it because I like shiny stuff. What if you had a hollow energy right there and you just threw it away like that, you charlatan? You don't even know who that Pokemon is.
He's so cute.
Why didn't you say she's cute? She's a waifu, you're supposed to worship her.
She looks a little young.
I'm pretty sure she's definitely not young.
How old is she? Hold on, let's see.
I don't know, she doesn't look that young, damn.
Really?
I don't even make it sound like she's like 9 years old or something. I'm pretty sure she's like 17 or 18.
I don't know, she's like 14.
I guess just start at each end, like I'll take the left and you start at the right end. And we'll just meet in the middle. Diglett. Drowsy. I'm kind of glad I didn't really show you anything from this set so you can be surprised. And I can live vicariously through you since I spoil everything for myself. A choke and a Gyarados with another hollow. Also, let's not bury ourselves in cardboard like we did many times before, and let's try to organize the cards.
I learn how to hold my hands.
I'm curious, like I think it might be like trying to pick up on the faces on the stickers or something for some reason. Arcanine. Got a gold bat, that's cool art. Oh! Well, that was like the thing I wanted the most out of all of these, so that's super easy now. Yeah, look at that. It's so fucking vibrant. I did bring sleeves, yes. So yeah, my suggestion to you when you're opening your packs there is to try to cover. Honestly, maybe I'll just remove those stickers.
But I like them.
I mean, it's a nice little decoration for the background, but it is kind of making stuff annoying. Oh, Zapdos EX. No, I just realized Venusaur fell. What the fuck, man?
Where is he?
Here. Oh, I'm being blinded by the light. This video is so scuffed, dude. Jesus Christ. I should just have stayed retired. I use my Aqua Teen Hunger Force Claw to help Venusaur stand. There we go. Looking at the light for a second actually has like blinded me. Yes, it is great. Grabby. Also, we are not doing what I said at all. I really want to keep these cards organized so we don't suffocate under cardboard, please.
We're suffocating. Already. After I do this pack, then I'll organize them.
That's fine. Ponyta. Diglett. That's a very cool hollow.
Yeah, look at that.
Give me that. I just...
Tingly boy?
Yes, for my collection.
It's a licky tongue. No. How dare you?
We don't have time for that. As my great mentor, Jesse the Body Ventura, once said, I ain't got time to bleed. Cadabra. I'm really bummed he didn't get a special art rare for this. Look at this obese fuck. There is some person with a fetish for fat people at Pokemon. Beedrill. Wheezing. Nothing. Why are you acting like such an amateur?
What do you mean?
Like you've never opened a Pokemon pack in your life or something.
Because of the fucking thing.
Try to lift it up to the left. There you go.
And
You're
also,
spoiling it.
I'm looking through a lens, and I'm not used to doing that.
I mean, you don't have to look through the lens. It's not a requirement.
It's kind of hard not to.
I mean, have you tried taking off your glasses so you just can't see anything?
Yes.
Oh, well. Have you tried removing your eyes?
Yes.
No. Magnemite, Nidorino, Golduck, my boy Pinsir, Magikarp, Execute,
Hey.
a cool Moltres Hollow that's got like a little thing at the top, and garbage. You fool! Aren't you gonna read out their names? No.
So cute.
Ah, one of the cards just tried to play my guitar over there. That's good.
Now we're
Oddish. That's yeah. Execute. Bill.
so cute.
Golbat. Fucking Apple.
You watching this?
Bulbasaur. And Choke.
Right? Sit.
Marowak.
Oh, look, it's leftovers. I like leftovers. It's probably the worst leftovers you could have, considering it's going to turn brown very quickly.
Well, maybe some people like brown apples.
Unless they covered it in lemon juice. Could preserve it for a bit.
Ah. Food safety prep tips with Tristan. I think you're a little. There you go. Cloyster. Grabber.
This is like one of the fat people grabbers, so yes, your theory is correct.
What the hell does that even mean?
The fat people grab claws.
Oh.
And the
I'll just throw that up on the screen because
and the
that's
disabled people. Does he have a leak?
yeah. Where the fuck are all our hits, dude? Daddy needs his fix.
This bird has a leak.
He does have a leak. I think the lore is he beats people with it, if I remember correctly, but Paris, Baltimore, Krabby, fat fucking thing. That's another card that has really cool artwork, but no cool.
No,
Man,
yeah.
what the fuck? Okay, obviously the sample size is very small, but I have definitely seen a lot of people who keep pulling the same SIRs again and again and again in openings, like let's say of like 100 packs similar to this. This set really has some batching problems going on. Like this is, I'll take it because it's an awesome card, but like I'd rather not have 4 Venusaur. You can join your brother.
Twinsies.
That's so silly, dude.
Ooh, pretty.
Bloom. Oh, you can ignore that. I forgot to throw that away.
The fuck?
Just don't question it. And don't you guys don't be curious about what she's referring to.
I'm concerned.
Oh, there's like a dent on that card.
Oh.
I don't know if like a little nicky chip thing out there. PGR, Omanite, Dugong. That's a cool artwork.
Dagon?
What?
Dagon?
I love this Gengar art.
Ooh, cute. Is
another-
he dancing?
Another hollow energy. Is he dancing?
Mm-hmm.
I couldn't tell you, to be honest. I don't know what the hell he's doing.
Slime monster.
That's rude.
It's stickers.
Maybe he identifies as a pudding monster, you dick.
Hmm.
We're gonna end up at like the fucking 3-hour mark before we're done at this rate. Starting to think I'm too old to open Pokemon. My bones are too brittle.
These packs are very difficult. They hurt my bones.
Rockhorn, Krabby. And we haven't gotten like any EXs or any like normal little hits. Dude, I think it's just you're holding it. Yeah, I was gonna say part of it. I think you're holding it too close to the camera.
It's difficult. I've got short arms and stuff.
Have you ever tried not having short arms?
Yes. It didn't work.
Have you tried arm surgery?
Yes.
Have you tried sewing another arm onto your arm?
Yes. It didn't work either.
It could be worse. You could have AIDS.
Coach, I've got AIDS.
Got a fucking gnat. We got a bird. We got a polywhirl. We got a kakuna. We got a whatever. We got a fucking dick face. Where are my hits? God damn it, at least that one's cool. Oh, that landed on my ass. Excellent.
Or it's literally just me. It's just me, I think. Me. Mostly just me.
I mean, you are a Scuff Lord. That's pretty normal. You know, at least you guys can see 50% of the packs being opened. That's good.
Me.
Can't really ask for too much more.
No, it might be like 75%.
Well, we don't want to oversell it. Come on now.
I do.
Always better to undersell. Dugong, Hitmonchan, Seaking. Where are the hits? They're not fucking here. That is weird.
What's he doing there on that roof? That drowsy there.
I don't know. Watching somebody get undressed. What else is a beautiful man like that doing on a roof?
Nothing else I can think of. Why am I so sleepy?
Because you're old. Seal. A band. Protective goggles. Oh, that's a cool artwork. Dude. Okay, there's an EX finally, and another fucking hollow energy. I don't understand how we haven't pulled more EXs, like... Charmander. Oh, there we go, there's another EX. Hey, excuse me, it's my turn to open a pack.
I'm pre-opening.
Nobody said you could pre-prep. What, you fucking cheater.
Time. Saving.
fucking degenerate.
You called me slow.
You are slow. Or wait, no, I didn't call you slow. I said you were old.
What you mean I'm slow?
No, that does not mean you're slow. There's plenty of old people that drive over the speed limit. We just don't see them. Hey, there's something. Bills transfer. You are a true stuff board. Maybe I should just get like a fake rubber mold of your hands. And I can just wear them over mine and pretend that I'm you. You know, really hoping we at least pull like the Zapdos or the Alakazam. Oddish. Clefable. Dugtrio. That's cool, Hunter. NANI? Hey, Charmander.
Ooh.
Oh, wait. Why is this already here? Oh, I think this is a God Pack. I'm nervous? It's a God Pack. What the fuck, dude? That's fucking insane. Are you serious? What the fuck, man? Holy shit. I was not expecting that.
Not
My
at
chest
all.
got all like fluttery for a second. That was fucking wild. Look at that. That's awesome.
Oh,
Man. I don't even know what the odds of that are. I'm pretty sure that's not
that's sweet as hell.
super easy. Wow, I was not expecting that at all. I wish I could be like my friend the Tims and be insanely energetic, but I'm dead inside.
Be like,
Yeah, wait, I didn't even get a chance to really show them all off together.
aw, fine.
Look at that. Look at that.
It's gorgeous.
That's fucking nuts, dude.
Pardon me.
Well, I'm glad I decided to not be lazy and record this opening, so I have that on video. Now I can show it to everyone who comes over. What the fuck, dude?
Hot damn.
What is going on? I hope we're not, like, just getting everything now, where, like, the last 50 packs we open aren't gonna have anything, but... These are, like, some diabolical packs. I don't even know what I was saying anymore. I was trying to make some dumbass joke, but... My brain is, way too frazzled from all of the dopamine I'm getting. Shelder. Executor. Richard Band. Grabla. Another Executor. My boy Gloom. Another Vaporeon. How many energies are I get? I'm very curious. I'm gonna count while you do your thing over there.
As I attempt.
To do it, yes.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Attempt.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, we only have 7 energies.
I got shiny spaghetti boy and Caterpie.
I will take both of those for a sleeve.
And the Skin Guardian, who's
I already have
who's
it.
dancing.
Oh, I can hear sirens in the background. That's good. Doduo. Tentacruel. Rattata. Squirtle. Arcanine. Tentacruel. Snorlax. Wow, that Zubat's... Well, I guess it's decently holographic. For a second, I couldn't tell that was a reverse. Reverse Mankey. That's a cool Vileplume. I mean, I knew they weren't going to because they didn't do it in the Japanese, but I wish they would have done like the Cosmos foil on all the hollows. It was like a celebratory thing.
Focus. Intense.
No.
Focus.
Hey, Charizard EX. That's probably the best EX we could get.
Ooh, look at how shiny.
Yeah, he is a very shiny boy.
I'm so fucking tired for driving shit.
No. We definitely didn't drive 5 hours to pick these up, by the way. It's definitely not, it wasn't like 10 o'clock at night when we decided to start recording all this. Seal, bird, squid, rat, unicorn, obese monster, magnet. How do they work?
Fucking magnets, how do they work?
The nucleus has protons, which are positively charged, and it has neutrons, which have no charge.
Bell sprout.
God fucking damn it.
Farfetch'd. Bill. Gyarados. I wonder how many like hillbilly fishermen, if Pokemon were real, would be obsessed with Gyarados.
Awesome. They would be mounting Gyarados on their wall.
Oh, I'd be mounting Gyarados, alright. In a very different way.
Yeah. I don't think that's legal.
Dugong. Hitmonchan. Sea King. Rigid Band. Venonat. Omastar. Hey, our first grass energy. With more swirls. Swirls. I mean, those energies are going to be worthless, but at least they look fucking cool. I'll definitely keep a whole bunch of them in my binder. Vileplume. Poliwhirl. Kakuna. Big air balloon. We got the monkey boy. We got the muscle boy. We got the pest. We got Chansey.
Aww. This one looks actually.
I have that fucking Queen song stuck in my head.
The universe one?
Yes. Dude, what? I don't know if you've noticed. Look at the top. There's like a little ding there. Like I've noticed almost all the hollows we've gotten have big dings like that. It's very weird. Radicus. Fucking Gamera. Lickitung. Venonat. Trio. The Ghost Man. The Leg Man. The Bug Man. Whatever. Aerodactyl again.
Are you able to film this in 2 parts? We might need to film this in 2 parts.
I mean, we could definitely take a little break and then come back if we need to. Which I'm not opposed, and you know they're not going to be able to tell beyond me telling them right now. Yay! Oh, I just realized I abandoned what I said I was going to do with going left to right with you and meeting in the middle. I've just been grabbing like whatever the hell I want. That's good. I'm glad I already betrayed what I told you to do. Get fucked.
I've been listening.
Huh?
I listened.
Well, you did.
That was almost time.
That's a cool art. A lot of cool artworks on here for sure. Yedra. I just realized how close you are to the camera. Wait. Oh, okay. No. Never mind. My brain's so fucked. I thought you had a god pack for a second again. I was like actually gonna vomit. GG. Honestly, opening these is actually kind of making me want to do a master set just because like every single card has really cool artwork, but I just feel like that'd be a big pain in the ass. Okay, I know I said I didn't have any right to complain about the lack of hits because of what we had already received, but
However.
yeah, I mean, like, damn, it's been a minute since I pulled anything. That doesn't count. Got a horsey. Got a Nidoran. I got an Abra. I'm getting tired of reading their names already. Which bodes well since there's still like 50 packs or something. Starmie. Dragonite. Excuse me. Dome fossil. Oh boy, we're getting a duplicate. Ah! I got fucked it up too bad. And again, who knows, maybe it did. I'm just too brain dead to notice. Got a grabber, we got a kingler. Some stickers.
Most important thing.
Give me an EX, dude. Oh, cool. There we go.
Yeah, listen.
Honestly, like probably one of my favorite full arts from this set, if not my favorite. I love Arbok. Oh shit. Goddamn card avalanche happening. Okay, honestly, you can just throw the energies into the garbage. You don't have to pass them over to me if they don't have holographic.
They're for you.
I don't need trash. I'm already surrounded by it right now. Sleepy Seal, Pedrio, Tentacle, Rattata, Dragonair, Seadra, Kabuto, Abra, another Golem. Oh my god, another energy. I didn't even notice that.
Yeah, this time it's extra shiny.
Lordy.
I'm stealing one from over here.
You son of a bitch.
I'm evening it out.
Sounds like somebody wants to be stoned to death.
Stones?
Yes,
There's many definitions.
with rocks. Beaten to death with rocks. That's the definition.
No.
Sounds like somebody wants to become the Jesus Christ of Pokemon and be crucified. That was probably an insensitive joke to make, but I don't care. Come on, get hyped up, Tristan. Come on.
Mr. Mime! Woo!
Ooh. I'm being serious. Please stop. Please stop passing me the energies I don't need anymore. Just throw them at my guitar.
It's honestly automatic at this point. It's been ingrained.
Okay, I didn't Pavlov's dog you into doing it, dude.
It just happened.
In the matter of 45 minutes?
I am like half asleep, so yes, I am on autopilot. Absolutely.
Yeah, this video probably...
It's good.
Sure. Us bickering over nonsense. Yeah, that's real good. Great content, I'm sure. Ekans. Scyther. You should have had a goddamn illustration rare.
Ah, man.
I'm starting to think my prediction was correct, and it's going to be the first half of this opening is going to be tits, and then the last half is going to be ass. Or for those ass men out there, I suppose the first half could also be ass, while the second half is tits. Whichever, you know, floats your boat. A choke. Stop tapping at it, maybe it'll do it. Oh my god.
Why do I keep pulling fucking Mr. Mime.
Oh, please. No, it's devolving backwards.
I went into like that Super Mario movie. You know the Super Mario Bros.
No, we don't talk about that here.
It devolved.
Dude, I don't even know if anyone who watches this would even know what the hell we're talking about, to be honest. You have to remember we're old.
It devolved.
And honestly, even people our age, probably most of them haven't bothered to watch that, so
The fuck's wrong with
I know they're missing out.
that? Wow.
Yeah, it's not holographic. I don't know if it took you that long to realize that, or
I'm slowly going insane.
that's okay. I'm slowly dying inside. Who wants to live forever? Fucking Highlander corrupting my mind. Dude, when are we gonna get something?
Right
It's not
here.
that. Q, and also just give me some hits. Like, they don't even have to be crazy hits. Just give me some EXs, and I'd be happy. Where the fuck are my EXs? Dude. Dude. No, Charmeleon. And we're getting more duplicates, but it's a nice duplicate at least. Ooh. I might have to start, or I might have to stop doing the pack trick, to be honest. Or no, there's not a pack trick, I'm dumb. I'm just gonna be doomed to fucking have to go through all of these forever. God damn it. Oh god. My brain needs some dopamine, please. Man, why are we getting so many duplicate things?
Goddamn Bill.
Oh my god, a new EX. Holy shit.
Yay!
A big snake boy. Scythe or Siege. Hey, Ivysaur, that's cool. I like that one a lot. Oh no, you're becoming an amateur again. You're not a veteran pro like you used to be.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
My battery's dry.
I mean, we might as well just finish this, by the way. Power through. If you need to, boof some cocaine.
Don't have that.
I'm sure we could just go outside and get some.
Yeah, I'm sure some game is supposed
Hey.
to. Ooh.
That's awesome. At least we got some hits in this last half finally. I feel better now. Nero. The Last of Us, that guy. Fucking seafood. More seafood. Poison. an entire quiet pack opening.
I'm focusing.
What the hell did you just say?
Oh yeah, that was the other one.
Shane?
What? Hey, upside down cards. Let's go.
The fuck?
Oh wait, what?
Was it just the first one that was upside down?
I don't know. Maybe if you could keep it in focus. Nope.
Okay.
This would be a lot more interesting if I could actually see everything that's happening. Yeah, that was very weird.
All that for this? The hell?
Kiji. Poliwag. Oh, another duplicate. No, don't yawn, Rape.
Yeah.
Oh my god. How embarrassing.
Not really. Wigglytuff!
Alright.
Yay!
I don't even know what to say anymore. Oh, wow, who would have guessed another duplicate? Who would have saw that coming? I definitely would have never seen that coming.
This is very focused. ASMR opening.
From somebody with COPD. Magmar. Man, I really would like to hit one more SIR before we stop.
Yeah.
Spaghetti boy. Use Zapdos or Blastoise so I can have the full starter trio. Charmander, Giovanni, a Jinx.
My body.
Okay, stop complaining. We all know you're old. We don't need to keep hearing about how old you are. I understand.
Slowly. Oh god, I'm dropping shit now. I'm so much me too.
Oh my god, you're turning into an abusive spouse. You guys might not see it, but she's getting a belt off camera. I'm in for a rude time after the video ends.
Well, I don't have a belt and I don't know where your belt is, so you need to assist me.
Hold up.
I'm going to do it.
Cubone. I'll assist you in beating myself.
Yes.
Okay, sure.
I don't have one.
Hey, that's a cool one.
This is super cool one.
Yes.
Look at how many of them there are.
That is one of my...
Meow.
Yeah, no, I was gonna say, it's one of my favorite illustration rares from this set. And we don't get the Master Balls. That sucks. That would have been fun. I mean, it probably would have been an absolute nightmare for anyone who wants to master set it, but it would have been fun for openings. Hey, Giovanni's Charisma. The SIR version's way cooler, though.
It's your belt. Found it.
This might be the last video I ever upload from my fingers being crippled.
That belt in particular.
That's another really cool one.
Nice. Cave monkeys.
Oh my god, you're telling me there wasn't anything in there? No way. Oh my god, the foil on the ground around us.
I've got a drawer I'm stuffing.
I mean, I was doing that at the start, but it's starting to overflow.
Yeah, my senses.
Magnemite. Rapidash. Could probably do something cool with all these duplicate energies. Like a fur craft or something.
Yes.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Absolutely nothing.
Okay.
Getting pretty low on packs here. Sure would love one more SIR. Sure would love a Zapdos now. I don't know why I'm talking like this. I'm losing my mind.
It's okay. I accept you as this. Yeah. Got another one of these.
Oh, god damn it. Come on. Don't fuck me, packs. Just give me some really cool thing. I just want one more cool thing, please. Whatever gambling gods are out there, please listen. Oh, another Jinx EX. Wow.
Too sleepy. What? Shit.
No, you spoiled it.
Did I? What is it? Did you see it?
Get ready. For nothing. Poliwhirl, Kakuna, Poliwag, Ponyta, Ivysaur, Slowbro, Choke, Ponyta.
There's a Pokemon pack right there.
That's a sweet bonus there. I wish my cups had Pokemon packs in them.
I'd rather have water, but you know.
That's gross. Fish have sex in that.
Good. Makes it more tasty.
Wow, who would have guessed we were going to get another Jinx EX? It's almost like there's some kind of weird batching problem. Wow. It's almost like some sort of clumping issue. It's so weird. Haunter. Oh, well.
Green, shiny.
Yeah, I don't. Who even cares anymore? I'm
Green,
so
swirls.
desensitized.
Swirl,
Plus,
swirls.
there is no swirls.
Aw,
It's the first one
fuck.
we pulled without swirls.
Bullshit. That's
It's cursed.
ripped off.
Cursed.
It's not fair.
If you're gonna be like delirious, you can just go pass out.
Huh?
I said if you're gonna be delirious, you can just go pass out.
No. I can be delirious for you.
Oh my god, something new. You know, if you're watching the video out there, you should smash the stupid ass like button. Oh wow, another Machoke. Wow, a duplicate. I've never seen that before. Oh, and another Golem EX.
What the fuck is this? Whose ass didn't I kiss?
Oh, shit. Wow. Almost knocked over the camera. We can just ignore that. My brain's dying from all of the malarkey. Oh, we didn't pull any gold cards, I just realized. That's ridiculous. Ending on a down note. Excellent. I guarantee you, even if I do get a hit out of this pack, it will be a duplicate. Yeah, the Eevee. We got Grimer. We got Beetle. We got Tristan making a bunch of racket.
My bad.
Got Lapras and Butterfree. We got Cycling Road. We got Muck. Gengar. Nothing. Nice. Alright, so let's go over this. I realize I did, a fair amount of bitching here about batching and duplicates and yada yada, and you probably think I'm over-exaggerating, but let's go through the hits here. This is how many duplicates we had in this opening. Now, there's definitely some really great cards here, but I would have liked a bit more variety in my cards. I would have been fine with some of these not being here and being replaced with something else, even if it was of lower value or quality. Like, this is very silly. So 1/3 of our hits were duplicates. That is absolutely horrendous. There's no way you can spin it to me that that's not weird. But I had fun. Hopefully you did too. Until next time, whenever this dead ass channel gets a video. Goodbye.